everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we cover dictionary in Python. In this, we cover how to create dictionary, create empty dictionary, convert list into dictionary, and how do indexing and selection in dictionary and nested in dictionary, and also some built-in function of dictionary. So let's get started coding. First question pop up in your mind is what is dictionary and why we need dictionary in the Python. Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values. Dictionary hold key value pairs. In list there is no key. It stores values in indexes, which is ordered. And dictionary has key which is mapped to the particular value. It is similar to the real world dictionary. So let's start coding. Now first we create a dictionary. To define a dictionary, we need curly braces, and for list we use square brackets. Now give key, then map it to the items, which is key 2, map with the item 2. Now run the cell. Now print D. Here we get our first dictionary. Now if we want to access the element inside this dictionary, we use a square bracket and pass the key value like key 1. If we put key 2 and if we put key 3, then we get an error as key 3 is not defined in this dictionary. To avoid this kind of error, we use get function. Key 3. Now give some message if this key is not present in the dictionary, then a particular message will be shown. Not found. You can change it. And if we put a key 2, now we get the value, not this one. Get function is used to get the value of the dictionary. If it is present, then it will give the value of that particular key. And if the key is not present in the dictionary, then it shows this string. Now define a dictionary. Dictionary 1 with the function. Now pass value. First we put the index, which is there. Now value. Now comma. Now again next index. Shift press enter. Now print the dictionary. We can also define a dictionary with the help of this function. Now create empty dictionary. Shift press enter. Now here we get the dictionary, empty dictionary. Now if we want to put some values in this empty dictionary, we give key value. Key 1 is equals to item 1. Here we get. Same we done again with key 2, item 2. Now print again dictionary. Now comes to nested dictionary. Name is the key and Harshita is the value. Now age is the another key and 21 is the value. Now subject is the another key, and in the value we also pass another dictionary as the value of subject key. In this nested dictionary, we have maths as key. A is the value. Computer is the key and A press is the value. Now science is the key and B is the value. Now print this dictionary. Here we get that. In this you can see name key has Harshita as a value. Age key has 21 as a value. As subject it has another dictionary which is defined here. If we want to access this particular key subject, here we get the result. If you want to access this particular computer one, now pass it into the square bracket. Here we get the value. Now again define an empty dictionary with the curly braces. Now add element inside this dictionary. Neha, like in the key 0 it is Harshita, key 1 it has Neha. Now print this dictionary. Here we get, if we want to add element in dictionary, we just give value, we just give key and is equals to now again print this dictionary. Here we get the nested dictionary. If you want to update the existing key value, we just give the dictionary name and pass the value like 1. If you want to change the name Neha to Rita, equal to sign, just pass the name. Now print again this dictionary. You can see the name is replaced. Neha is replaced by Rita. Now comes to how to delete element in dictionary. We use del function d, like we need to delete this nested part. We just give dictionary name and the key which we want to delete. Now again run, print this dictionary. Here we see this part is removed. Now use pop function. For this, define first dictionary. Now print this dictionary. Now in dictionary, dot pop function. We use dot operator to perform this function. We want to pop this technology key value pair. Now shift press enter. Now if we want to see this dictionary data, you can see this part is removed. Technology part is removed. Now in this element, we see Python value will be there. As we pop it and get the value inside this variable. Now comes to function pop items. First define dictionary. Same. First define dictionary, same this dictionary. Now use pop item. Now see this element, pop element. Here we get the whole value with key also. In this we only get the value, not the key. In this we also get the key. Now print this dictionary. It's remove this part. Now if you want to delete, now delete entire dictionary. We use clear function, like this dictionary dot clear, shift press enter. Now if you want to check this dictionary, you can see it is now empty. Now create dictionary with list. In this, first define a list. Now define another list. Let's give the name, change the name of this list key, and it is value. A, B, C, and D. Now run this. Now to define a dictionary, D, let's suppose the name is D. Give dictionary function. Use dictionary function. Now zip function. Use zip function and pass key, comma, value. Now run this dictionary. You can see it's mapped the key with value. As 1 have value A, 2 have value B, 3 have value C, and 4 have value D. Now comes to the copy function. How do we use copy function to make a dictionary? Like D2 dot is equals to, D dot copy. Now D2 print it. We see the same result. Now cover some more function. Use this dictionary D dot item. It will give the items of the dictionary like this. Now another function is dot key. Keys. It gives the key of the dictionary. Now use str function. D. We get a string in a result. Now use type function. It will reflect the result dictionary. If you want to check a particular key present in the dictionary or not, we can do like this. Give the dictionary name dot underscore underscore contain underscore underscore in parenthesis pass the key. It has S is not there. If we give 5, it returns false. If we give 4, it returns true. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video, and if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. Thank you.